In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on System and Update. Then select Input Method, Autofill for Google, Google Password Manager, and finally any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock, tap on this eye icon next to your password, and this way make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!